Hello everyone. I welcome all of you for this live session. Can you please share this video with maximum number of people because it is very important in the last minute of preparation for the upcoming drive Infosys. Everyone try to share this video to the maximum number of people. Please like the video and try to make it to reach the people maximum number of people. And I have collected some couple of last year review last year question papers. Exactly I am trying to present to you. Exactly I'm trying to present to you, so answer it quickly. Look at the first question. Many of the advances of the civilization have been conceived by young people just on the threshold of adulthood. Threshold means beginning of the adulthood. Beginning. So threshold of adulthood means beginning of the adulthood. Beginning of the adulthood meaning. Can you answer this question? Jane was asked by her aunt, "Where were you last night?" What is the correct option? Is there any correction? If you are asking a question mark must be there. Question mark must be there. In this one, question mark is not there. Question mark is needed. That's why no correction is also not required. So, what is the correct answer? That is not required there. Simply, John was asked by her aunt, and in inverted commas, "Where were you last night?" and question mark. Question mark. Can you answer this question? Consider the number 5764531. If the digit at units place is always increased by 1, units place value 1, and it is decreased by 1 all the time. So actually 1 is there. Decreased by 1 means it will become 0. And 10th place increased by 2. What is the 10th place value? 2. Here 6. It is increased by 2 means 8. And the digit at a hundreds place is decreased by 1. Hundreds place value 3. Decreased by 1 means 2. And digit at thousand place increased by 2. So what is the thousand place value? 5. It is increased. Okay. First ones, tens, hundreds, thousand. At thousand place it is increased by 2. Nothing but 7. And so on. And so on. What we are doing? Minus 1 plus 2. Minus 1 plus 2. Minus 1 and plus 2. Minus 1 and plus 2. Okay. After getting this number, what is the question they are asking you? After rearrangement, how many number appear twice? How many numbers are appearing twice? 7, 7, and 7. Here, what is the value here? 6 minus 1 plus 2. Here also, actually here 7. 7 is coming for 2 times, and 8 is also coming for 2 times. So how many numbers appears twice? Answer 2. Can you answer this question? Comment your answers, please. A man rose 750 meters in 675 seconds against the stream. Against the stream means upstream. Upstream is x minus y, and upstream speed is equal to speed nothing but what? Distance by time. So how much distance he is covering? 750 meters in how much time? 675 seconds. 675 seconds. And returns nothing but this is upstream, and next would be downstream, x plus y. Okay, so returns in 7.5 minutes. So totally distance is same, 750 and 750 meter, and returns in how much time? 7.5 minutes. 7 minutes is nothing but 420. Half minute means okay, here 420 seconds plus 30 seconds. Totally how much seconds? 450 seconds. Okay, so solve it. 15 5 the 15 3 the. Okay, 15 4 the 67, 15 5 the, and 15 5 the. Okay, 5 10 the, 5 9 the. Finally, what is the value you are getting here? 10 by 9 x minus 5, and x plus 5, what you are getting here? 5 by 3. Both are in meter per second, but options are in kilometer per hour. Try to solve this equation and tell me the answer. Comment your answers quickly. Twenty-five by 18. So how is rowing speed in still water? Nothing but x only, na? Y is nothing but stream. So x is nothing but what? Rowing speed, nothing but his speed or boat speed. So this is the answer. X is equal to 25 by 18. But they are asking in kilometer per hour. But we are getting in meter per second. To convert, I will do 18 by 5. What is the answer? X is equal to 5 kilometer per hour. Can you answer this question? Totally rupees 58 divided among 150 children such that each girl and each boy gets 25 paise and 50 paise respectively. Okay, if you want to convert 25 paise into rupees, nothing but 0.25, and if you want to convert 50 paise into rupees, nothing but 0.50. Okay, totally you have to, totally 150 children are there. In this 150 children, girls are X, boys are 150 minus X. Okay, so how much girls are getting? 0.25 rupees. 0.25 rupees into X. For every girl 0.25, like that X girls are there. Plus boys will get 0.50, nothing but half rupee. And the total boys count is what? 150 minus X. And girls amount plus boys amount, it is called total amount. What is the total amount? 58. 58. Can you answer this question? 0.25x plus 0.50 into 150, nothing but half value 75 minus 0.50x is equals to 58. Okay, 0.25x 0.50x, nothing but 75 minus 0.25x is equals to 58. Try to bring out of the equal side. 0.25x is equals to 75 minus 58. So 0.25x is equals to 75 minus 58 is nothing but what is the answer? 215, 17. Okay, so 0.25x is nothing but 0.25, nothing but 1 by 4. X is equals to 17 and x is equals to cross multiplication 68. So girls are 68 and boys are 82. 82. They are asking you how many number of girls are there. How many number of girls are there? 68 is the answer. Ready? Can you answer this question? Which is the greatest among XYZ? Conclusion 1 is there. X is to Y is to Z value, 3 is to 4 is to 5. Here Z value is higher. That's why easily you can say among XYZ, Z is the highest value. By using conclusion 1, we are able to say the answer. And in the second value, XYZ minus Y square is positive integer. So X value, let us take X value 3, Y value 4. Okay, and you can substitute any values 9 in place of X and Y, but by using this one, can we say which is the highest value? Can we say Z is the highest value? Can we say no? Only conclusion 1 is sufficient to say which is the greatest among these three numbers. Can you answer this question? PQRSTU, totally 6 members are traveling in a bus. There are two reporters. Two technicians, and one photographer, and one writer in the group. The photographer P is married to S, who is a reporter. P and S are married. P and S are married, and S is the reporter. S is what? A reporter. And the photographer is P. P is what? A photographer. Only one photographer is there. That photographer is P. It is cancelled. Okay, eliminated. And in the next question, the writer Q is married. The writer is married to Q, who is the same profession as of U. Okay, and look at here, the writer is married to Q. Writer is married to Q. Writer is married to what? Writer is married to Q. And Q is the same profession as U. Q and U profession both are same. P, Q, R, S are two married couples. P and P, Q, okay, P, Q, R, S are two married couples. Okay, nobody in the group has same profession, which is very important. Same profession. Okay, P and S married. Q and R is also married couple. Okay, writer is married to Q. Nothing but R is married not to Q. R is a writer. Only one writer is there. That is R. Only one writer is there. That is R. The writer is married to Q, who has the same profession as that of U. Okay, and this is very important. Nobody in the group has same profession. Totally four type of professions are there in this. This is photographer, this is reporter, this is writer. Obviously another person is technician. Obviously another person is technician. Okay, two slots are there, one is writer, one is technician. Okay, so in the reporter you can put S, in the technician you can put Q. And U is the brother of R. U is the brother of whom? R. U is the brother of R. Okay. Q profession is what? Technician. And U profession is also technician only. So two technicians are over. All the professions are over. Only one more profession is there. Nothing but what is that profession? Reporter. Only one reporter slot is there. That reporter slot should be given to one more person. Who is that? T. Totally P Q R S T U. Okay, Q and U both are technicians. Both are technicians, and S and S and T are S and T are reporters, isn't it? Technician, writer, technician, photographer, reporter, and this person is also reporter. Look at the questioning pattern. How is R related to U? How is R related to U? What is that question? How is R related to U? U is the brother of R, na? U is the brother. How is R related to U? How is the R related to U? U is the brother of R, but do we know R? What is that R profession? What is that R profession? Do we know? Here, gender clarity is not there. Can you comment your answers, please, quickly? Do we have any gender clarity here? U is the brother of R. Definitely, R might be the brother or sister. But do we have any clarity? Q and R married. The writer, the writer is married to Q, who is as of the same profession of that U. These two are married couples, and these two are married couples. U is the brother of R, and R is related. How R is related? Comment. And next question: which of the following pair is reporters? Reporters S and T. S and T. Which of the following is a pair of husband? Pair of husband. Comment your answer. Pair of husband. Here in this one there is no gender clarity. I think some data is missing because there is no gender clarity. He or she, nothing is there now. Comment your answers. Pair of husband. Comment your answers quickly. Very good. I'm expecting answers from everyone. Look at this question. A circle is inscribed in a square. A circle is inscribed in a square. A circle is inscribed in a square which has the area of the circle 616. Area of the circle pi r square is equal to 616. R square is equals to 616 into 22 by 7, nothing but 7 by 22. 22 once the 22 to the 44. 44 44 means 60. 44 16 17 and 22 8 the 22 8 the, so okay, r square is equals to 28 into 7, 28 into 7 nothing but 196. R is equals to 14. So radius is nothing but this portion to this portion is 14, and this portion is this portion 14 also. So diameter is equals to 28. This diameter is equals to the side of the square, so this value is 28 only. So what is the area of the circle? What is the area of the circle? A square. 28 square. 28 square is nothing but what? 784. Okay. This total square area is 784. and this area is what? 616. If you want to identify this portion which is not occupied by the circle, just 784 minus 616, what is the answer? 168 centimeters square. Can you answer this question? Radha moves towards southeast. Southeast, nothing but hope you know this table. Okay, first Radha moves towards southeast. Southeast is this, it is 7 meters, 7 kilometers. Then she moves towards west. So if she is here now, she moves in west for 14 meters. So west, nothing but this direction, it is 14. And from here, she moves towards northwest. So from here, the northwest is this side only. And its distance is what? 7 meters. Finally, she moves a distance of 4 meters towards east. So from this one, east direction is what? Like this, and the distance is 4 meters. And stood at this point. How far she is from starting from where she stood? Okay, this distance and this distance both are same. That's why, so these are same. Henceforth, this 4 is 14, and it is up to 4. And what is the remaining distance? Can you comment? Very easy for all of you to comment. Very good, very good. Very good, all of you. 10. Okay, can you please answer this question? First letter is A value 1. Second two letters are B value 2. 2 A value 1, it is only for one time. B value 2, it is for two times. C value 3, and it is for three times. D value 4, and it is for four times. They are asking you find the 288 letter of this series. Interesting one. Comment your answers. Comment your answers. Hope you know n into n plus 1 by 2 sum of the numbers. Suppose here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. What is the 10th letter? D. Okay, how we will get D? Okay, what is the D value actually? 4. 4 into 1, 5 by 2. So what is the 10th letter? Obviously D. Okay, like that. Like that. And next, what is the 15th letter? 15th letter E. How you will get 15th letter as E? E letter value 5 into 6 by 2. What is the 15th letter? E only. E only. Okay. And what is the 21st letter? What is the 21st letter? 21st letter is what? F. How? F value 6. 6 into 7 by 2. Nothing but 21st. 21st. Like that. Try to take big numbers which is nearer to 288. Let's say I am taking a W. W letter is 23. 23 into 24 by 2. 2 ones the 2 12s the 23 230 plus 46 276. So what is the 276 letter? W. So up to 276 W is there. After that, from 277 to it will be starting from X. Okay, it will be starting from X. Let's say X value 24. 24 into 25 by 2. So up to 300. From 277 to 300, what is the letter you will get? X. Can you answer this question? Dash all intents and purposes, the manager is the master of the firm. With all intents and purposes. Generally, we use this word with all intents and purposes. The manager is the master of the firm. The intruder stood quietly for a few moments. Generally, we use this one also for few minutes, for a few moments, for a few moments. In place of few moments, generally we use for a few moments. For a few moments. He was silent. He was quiet for a few moments. So, data sufficiency question again. Five persons A, B, C, D, E are sitting in a row. Who is sitting in the middle? That is the question. Conclusion 1. B is in middle of E and C. By using conclusion one, we cannot say who is in the middle of the row because other people are there na, A and D. We cannot say. So B, second one is what? B is to the right of E. B is right of E. Yes, that is also okay. But still we cannot say who is in the middle. And third one, D is in between A and E. Between A, D is there between A and E. D is in between A and E. By using this one, by using this one, we can easily say who is in the middle. Okay. So answer for this question is conclusion 1, 2, 3. All are sufficient. All are needed to say who is sitting in the middle of the row. All are sufficient. All are needed. Can you please all like the video? If I take a state roadways, roadways bus, I will get late. The options are related to question tags. Here the sentence they are giving you, I will get late. Not is there. In the question tag, not should be mentioned and use as the word as it is, will. So, okay. So, answer is won't I? If I take a state roadways bus, I will get late. Won't I? Can you answer this question? If you are not clear about the meaning of a word, it is wise to look to a dictionary. Look to a dictionary is not the right usage. Look up. Look up. Referring dictionary closely is look up. Look up. Can you look at this question? A man buys two cycles, total cost of 900. A person is buying two cycles. One cycle cost X, another cycle cost 900 minus X. By selling one for 4 5 of its cost and other for 5/4 of the its cost, he makes a profit. He makes a profit 90 rupees. Profit is nothing but a selling price minus cost price. Okay. On the whole transaction, find the cost price of the lower priced article. Lower priced. Okay. Lower priced. Comment your answer. Try to do this problem. Comment your answer, everyone. Okay, by using this equation, total profit is equals to how much on transaction? Totally 90 rupees is equals to 90 rupees is equals to comment ready. Very good, very good, very good. Cost price is x, and first one he is by selling price is equal to 4 by 5, nothing but 4x by 5, and this one is selling price is what? Selling price is what? 5 by 4 of cost price, 5 by 4 of cost price, 900 minus x. Okay, and profit is equals to selling price minus cost price. What is the total selling price? What is the total selling price? This one selling price is 4x by 5 plus, and this one selling price 5 by 4 of 400 900 minus x. This is total selling price minus total cost price. What is the total cost price of the two articles? 900. 900. Please solve this equation quickly. When you bring this out of the equal side, 900 plus 90 is nothing but 990 is equals to 4x by 5 plus when you multiply this one 9500 by 4 minus 5x by 4, 5x by 4. Make it fast, everyone. I'm expecting answers. Just by listening, you will not get anything. If you solve this equation, you will get the x value. Okay, 4500 by 4. 4 ones the 4, 4 ones the 4, 4 to the 8, 4 5 the 20. And its value is what? 4500 by 4, nothing but 1125. 1125. Try to bring this out of the equal side. Nothing but 990 minus 1125. 1125. What is the answer? 5. 12 minus 9, nothing but 3. Nothing but 3. And 10 minus 1 is 9 is nothing but 135. So minus 135 is equals to 4x by 5. 4x by 5 minus 5x by 4. What is the LCM? 20 is the LCM, and 4 4 4 the 16 minus 5 5 5 the 25x. What is the value? Minus 9x by 20. Here it is the value minus 9x by 20. And what is the value here? Minus 135. Minus minus cancel, cross multiplication. 9x is equals to 135 into 20, and x is equals to divided by 9. Okay, 9 ones the 9, 4 remainder, 9 5 the 45. So x is equal to what is the value? 300. Total cost price is 900. In this lower price is 300, and remaining value 600. So they are asking you find the cost price of the lower price. What is the lower price? 300 is the answer. You ready?